you a good fucking name for a beer. The Sinner's Milk.
All right, perfect.
You guys ready to go? Yeah. Welcome to another episode of our stuff. Where we do shit. Like I chew chips.
Look, it's a bird. It's a plane.
It's another Superman episode.
Whoop,
Hey,
whoop.
everybody.
We're back.
We're back with
Max
more.
Fleischer! Boom!
This guy is our like god right now.
Oh, yeah.
And he also terrified the fuck out of me in that
He
match.
did shit before Disney. Illuminati. Fuck you.
Well,
Oh, this episode sure seems electrifying.
Whoa!
Anticipation for your puns, as always.
Are you kidding me? He's going to be Pun Master Jock by the end of this.
PMJ, baby.
That's what I'm going to call you from now on, Pun Master Jock.
Thank you. That's all I wanted.
Faster than a speeding bullet.
So, welcome. My
Whoa!
name is
More powerful than a locomotive.
Mike,
Able
Jeff,
to leap tall
Tyler,
buildings at a single bound.
and Pun Master
This
Jock.
amazing stranger
Oh, and I'm
is
Jock,
Krypton,
so there's-
the man of steel,
Superman!
Yeah, he's here too.
possessing remarkable physical strength.
Because he's
Superman fights a
Canadian.
never-ending battle for truth and justice. Disguised as a mild-mannered newspaper reporter.
Mild-mannered. He didn't take Lois's shit last episode.
Stay here, Laura, so I'll kill you.
That looks like
Wham.
Manhattan, but Metropolis it is. Oh, this animation is
I know,
stellar,
isn't it?
though.
I know.
Look at that fucking water.
It's beautiful.
That water's so wet. You just
It's very wet.
you feel it. It's the best water. It's wet. Oh.
Sorry, what's happening? Oh.
Electric
God.
prongs.
I believe this is the electric part of the earthquake.
Oh, okay. Well,
Oh
that's
yeah,
much fun.
electric earthquake.
Jesus.
Electric earthquake boogaloo.
I like how you said that.
We have to make this a magic card. Electric earthquake.
It actually sounds like an 80s album.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
It's Greysuit, one of Superman's most vicious foes.
Probably pissed because he beat up Black Suit last episode with mustache.
Oh, there's the Metropolis now.
Daily
Yeah.
Planet.
Ah, it's got the thing on the top.
And I still say Manhattan rightfully belongs to my people.
Oh, it's not even Metropolis. It literally is Manhattan.
Yeah.
You have a newspaper. Publish the truth. Have the island vacated immediately.
You know, if anyone tries that in this day and age, they're usually,
Why, that's
you know,
ridiculous.
escorted out by the FBI and
Ridiculous.
shot.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe
You know what this
modern
reminds me of? This
science
reminds
will
me of
make you
Christian
think
walking into a
differently.
GameStop because Stone's arms weren't blue.
Okay, we're not talking about that.
Really? We're
Yo,
getting
that
into
was a
some
threat.
old school.
I've never heard anything
We're
so
getting some
absurd.
very dark territory with Christian.
Yeah.
His eyes, I'd almost believe he was in earnest.
No, he's just a harmless crank.
He's just a harmless crank. He's
The
honest.
indigenous species were just a harmless prank.
Jesus. Lois is
There
like,
goes
fuck it,
Lois.
I'm taking this motorboat.
Yeah.
Fucking bitch.
No, that's pretty cool. You got a little tube that takes you down to the bottom of the sea.
Yeah.
Come ahead, Miss Lane. You wouldn't want to miss this story, I'm sure.
What
yeah,
a
let's
smarty.
willingly get in the elevator. You have.
Well,
you
this
deserve.
was a different time, man. Like, you
It's
didn't
true.
question what a man said. You just did it.
Whoa.
Like,
Yeah.
that's what people believe.
You're hitting some hard damn truths right now.
Like, it's true.
It's very
That's
true.
that's what I love about the public domain.
What would The Rock say? It's damn true.
Yeah.
Damn, Drew.
She's getting shackled to that chair the second she sits down on it.
Kinky.
Oh, 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 oh. Every guy's got one of those back in the day.
Just a precautionary measure.
She's a harmless
Yeah, 'cause it's
woman.
fascist.
I mean, don't we all have that precautionary measure, guys?
I do.
No.
Me too. And the silence alone should speak for itself.
Oh shit.
But it's very true. Back in the day, like the female was always the damsel in distress,
Yeah.
right? Like that's
Oh,
how
yeah.
it was always marketed.
Yeah, yeah.
Nowadays,
that's totally Metropolis.
nowadays
Sorry,
you
continue.
never see that. You like never see a female damsel in distress.
Yeah, no, because it's well, I mean, women can kick ass. Like, let's be honest.
Now, Miss Lane, get ready for the greatest story of your career.
Just tosses her a copy of like Harry Potter.
Not gonna lie, very underwhelming sound effect.
Yeah, very underwhelming, but the effect afterwards is great.
Oh no, the visual effect is phenomenal. I
Oh,
love
shit.
this. This is awesome.
This guy went to town.
Holy shit.
Come on, Kent. Let's get out of here.
Word.
This looks
This-
like a job for Superman.
Yeah.
But
This
Superman.
looks like a
Ugh.
job for Superman.
Then he looks at his like
Whoa.
personal calendar, but Superman
Oh.
always drinks on Tuesday.
Bitch got squished.
Manhattan fights for itself. Okay, Superman, the death toll is skyrocketing. Get to work. That was actually a sick effect.
Oof.
It's like a little kid sticking a fork in a socket there.
Oof.
Ooh.
Oh, right in the nads.
Oh, the second one.
Rock solid.
Oh.
Oh, the nail that sticks out.
Oh my god.
Talk about a two-pronged attack.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
See, that's a Yu-Gi-Oh card.
Shut up. Oh, wait, it is.
Bam. Boom. Holy shit.
How do you design your exploding electricity system to have that kind of feedback?
It's the 30s? I like the little tea kettle bass he's got going on here.
Yeah, me too.
He must have loved that song as a kid. I could see like Superman grasping his neck in like an epic confrontation. He's just like, I'm a little teapot. Wait, but where's Lois?
A girl is still down there.
You're free to go.
Holy fuck. That is a lot of TNT.
No, not enough.
It's dynamite.
Die she might.
Ah.
TNT.
Daishi might.
I mean, I feel like she would have maybe drowned anyway. Yeah.
That's great.
Oh no, you don't.
Superman disappears again! Every fucking article ends with that.
Oh yeah.
You'd think someone would just track him.
The old island looks just as good as ever.
That's right, Clark. Thanks to Superman.
Those twin towers look great. Yeah.
Well, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We were watching Superman. You did a good job watching it. Good for you.
Thank you so much for joining us as I talk with my mouth full of chips.
What an electrifying episode.
Okay, thanks, guys. Go fuck yourselves, too. Bye.
What if someone actually gets upset with you saying